Hello viewers, how are you all? I hope you people are pretty fine and good. God bless you, always be happy in your life, always be keep smile. Dear viewers, dear friends and dear subscribers, today we will see in this video Lovely and attractive. You will see in this videos modern, unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, ideas. Gorgeous and stylish. You will see in this videos 40 plus unique girls pop with bangs, haircuts, hair colors, and hairstyles ideas. So lovely viewers, if you like my videos, so viewers, please share my videos with your friends, family members, and social media accounts. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring very stylish girls bob with bangs, haircuts ideas. So I have uploaded long layers and short layers, stylish choil and pop haircuts ideas. So these are all my favorite collections that I am gonna share with you in this videos. Dear viewers, do you have new ideas of new or very stylish haircuts ideas? So dear viewers, please tell me in the comment section. To tell me how was my videos. I always try to bring beautiful haircuts ideas. So dear viewers, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and don't forget to give your feedback in the comment section. Your positive feedback encourages me and motivates me to bring very stylish girls bob with bangs, haircuts ideas. So dear viewers, thank you so much guys for visit my YouTube channel, subscribe my channel and watch my videos and enjoy me all fluttering bob haircuts, tag bob haircuts, strawberry bob haircuts and chin length haircuts ideas. Gorgeous and stylish you will see in these videos. Beautiful, attractive girls bob with bangs, haircuts ideas. So I hope you like my videos friends. I hope you